Hello Taurus, welcome back to my channel, and this is your July month's general reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In the first half of July, you've got the Master card and the Two of Suns. Okay, just check if the lighting is good. Now it's good, right? Okay, I do see that you have very giving energy. You could also be at a very good position at your work, doctor, pilot, artist, can be anything, advisor, counselor. People come to you for advice. A lot of people rely on you with their lives, right? Like a lot of people rely on you if you are a pilot of the plane, right? They're trusting you with a ride. So that kind of energy I'm getting, that you're on a position where people are relying on you completely. I do see that despite the fact that you are a very good person, individually good person, you will be getting into a lot of fights and arguments with the people around you, especially in your career. It could be that you're having arguments with your colleagues or bosses. Now, it's not because they are bad people or you are a bad person. The only reason is that you both have compatibility issues. You both can be equally strong, hot-headed, short-tempered, and yes, you require compromise this month. If you compromise, if you bend a little, if you say yes, 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 and even if they are wrong, if you just agree with them, this month is going to be smoother for you. But the moment you get very rigid and you're like, no, this is wrong, this is not how it's supposed to be, then obviously the arguments will escalate. You might have your own perspective, they might have their own perspective. You also have to understand each other's perspective as well. Let's see what the second half is bringing for you. You've got the card of Neophyte and the Eight of Suns. Wherever you can see the cards. Some people say we cannot see the cards. I really don't know why. You've got the card of Neophyte, which means that in the second half of the month also you're overthinking. Probably these fights must have affected your promotion or growth or business in some way, right? But don't worry, because a fresh beginning is waiting for you. If the compatibility issue that you saw was in relationships, which means that especially if you're single or you're ready to mingle and you have started meeting new people, if you thought that, okay, this was the first time we were dating or met and we still got into an argument, I don't think this is going to work out. But that's not the case, right? Give love another chance. You have got the card of falling in love. You will be falling in love. You will be celebrating something. Good luck is by your side. There will be progress in your life, whether that's your work life or your personal life. Some sort of progress will be happening. That depending upon each one of you, which area are you more focused on. And also I do see that uh, you know just because you had a fight when you met first time doesn't mean that this cannot work, right? So please do not reject or accept somebody on the basis of just one meeting. Meet the person a few more times before you make a decision. And yes, your job, your business is not going to be affected so much by these arguments and fights. But yes, if you compromise, if you follow these instructions, the second half of the month looks brighter, better. Progress and developments will be happening for you, career or your love life. So it looks like a challenging week for you, but also a very good week for you. Initially, maybe the first half can be challenging, but the second half looks brighter because you compromised, because you understood, instead of being rigid and being egoistical, you used a practical approach uh, to solve the problems in your life. So that would have really worked. So if you're watching this video right now and such situation is happening in your life, please follow my advice. Please compromise this month and you automatically will see how quickly things will start developing for you. Okay. So it is a beautiful month. If you haven't already checked out your weekly Love Plus Career reading, I suggest you go and check that out to get an in-depth detail of your week as well. And yes, if you have any questions, since this is a general reading, if you would like to book your own personal reading, I do have audio video call session available with me. I take personal readings, rituals, counseling sessions. I also have different packages available with me where you will also get a free remedy. I also have exclusive love readings with me and exclusive no contact readings. All these details are mentioned in my description box and bio. Go check that out. And to make any booking, just email me or even directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because all these details you'll get on a daily basis, including the prices. Yes, my prices are very open, they are very cheap, very budgeted. You can easily check them in my Instagram story. I have unlimited call option, video call option, audio call option available. And if you are looking for a cheaper reading, I have typed format also, audio recording on Instagram also. Right? So you can choose as per your budget. It's very easy. And this was your monthly reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to claim the positive reading, do comment I claim this reading, I manifest this reading, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.